It's no secret that AI is turning content creation on its head. And nowhere is that more true than with video and video marketing. AI has made video more accessible and easier than ever if you know the right tools to use and if you know what to use for what projects. That's why I'm teaching a brand new 4-part workshop called AI Video Mastery. So we'll go beyond ChatGPT, we'll go beyond Descript, we'll look at Pictory and Tella and Video and show you how you can use AI tools and resources to do everything from your video scripting and ideas all the way to production and editing, making you look like a total pro on camera without having to know traditional editing and without having to be a video expert. All these AI tools are making video much faster and easier than ever so that you can reach more people and have more influence. But you have to know what tools to use and what to use for which projects. And that's what we're going to do in AI Video Mastery. We'll take all the mystery out of AI and wade through all the different tools and curate the right content so that you know exactly which tools are going to be right for the jobs that you want to do. This is going to make your video creation and editing and your podcast creation and editing faster and easier than you ever imagined possible. So join us for this special AI Video Mastery class, and we will help you sort through all the cool tools and show you exactly what to use and how to use these tools to create great videos and podcasts. Hope to see you there.